Edo Deputy Govunor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo don assure the people of Isako West local government area say the state government go do their best to reduce the effect of the rainfall disaster wey shele for Jattu Market where some persons for kpai. Omobayo yarn this one for a visit to the disaster site where 4 trees for fall sake of the heavy rainstorm. Omobayo come also talk say the trees wey fall na natural disaster on top say the trees don old with roots wey don rot ten na big factor for the incident. Come talk say e dey important say dem dey inspect and manage old trees for strategic location across the state and say the disaster wey happen for bad pass as e dey if na rush hour e happen.
A picture, it is with mixed feelings, but it's an act of God, whether you like it or not. It's a natural disaster. Like the chairman said, that the trees they are more than a century old. But that it now happens simultaneously at the same time is what gives us concern. But when you look at the roots, you see that they are already decayed, and that is part of our agenda. If you look at the airport road, you see that those trees are about 100 years old and not they are uprooted all of them, and I think it's a wake-up call because one will not expect. And when you look at the size of the tree and everything, you will think that the roots is firm and all of that, but that is old age for you.
Now here with the shade, so where the rain was falling now, all of us move to this side. We leave our load there. So when we leave our load there, now when we call this side, I sit down for watch chair. So when I sit down now, I come here say, ground when as I use chair sit down, I come here say the ground don dey shake, back. So the other people move to the other side, they're far away from me. The ground don dey shake. Now I say, wetin come dey happen now? I will say make I know wetin dey happen well. The thing just throw me back. So when the thing come fall now, the rope of the stick draw my leg. So the thing affect my waist. So the woman where it was here, the thing affect her. So all of us now we go clinic.
Him and the team come also carry waka enter Blossom Hospital, one private medical facility for Jattu, to see some of the victims where they receive treatment. Omobayo come expressing condolence to the families of the people wey kpai and come show sympathy to the people wey injure. He come talk say Governor Obaseki dey deeply touched by the incident and sending sympathies too, and come assure the people say the state government go take steps to reduce their suffering. Omobayo come also here and say some officials from Edo State Emergency Management Agency (SEMA) and other relevant bodies go visit Jattu soon to handle the situation.
So we will wait for their reports, but as we are coming with some palliative just to cushion our people the effect and all of that. But trust me, before the next 24 hours, they'll come with a report that we can all look at together and see how we can approach the whole thing. Yeah.
This one just happened. It's just a lesson to us that all the trees around the market, we are going to bring them down in a couple of days. We are definitely going to bring them down. It's a natural occurrences that is something that happened before that is okay, let us have a preventive measure. But this has never happened before. But now that it has happened, that form part of our experience, and we are definitely going to do something about it. The casualty, 5 persons dead. You can see the only person that sustained injury are here now. We just assess them now.
The Deputy Governor carried joint body for this visit some government officials, including in Chief of Staff Honorable Aziz Abeni, Chairman Isako West Council Honorable Marvelous Zibiri, Commissioner for Public Safety and Security Honorable Kingsley Wagbale, and His Royal Highness Oba Sule Idiaye, Imam 4 of Somorika. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Edo North, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.